are we going to live in a culture where we rely on technology that's just this black box? Or are we going to hew to, I believe, what's our national heritage of self-sufficiency and being able to fix the things that we rely on ourselves? We all have to be in that fight together. We all have to put our shoulder behind that wheel. And so it's been so encouraging to have you all on the team with me. I'm on your team, right? Fighting for right to repair legislation. We need co-sponsorship. We need people to understand this stuff matters on a cultural level, it matters on an economic, and I think that right now a lot of decisions are being made at manufacturers who are primarily concerned with their shareholders' returns in the next 5 years, and not what our industry will look like in 40 years. And so it's up to us to have the long vision, to be stewards of American culture and our vibrancy of our small business economy.